This is an amazing fossil right here. Such a remarkable fossil because it's the skeleton of a whale that lived about 3 million years ago. And when that whale died and fell to the bottom of the ocean, it basically created an entire ecosystem of all the little worms and shellfish and fish that were living down there with it. And that's all preserved as a fossil. But clearly the whale itself is the centerpiece here. It's a really huge animal. And whales are remarkable among mammals because they're the very biggest mammals that have ever lived. And in fact, they're the very biggest animals that have ever lived. And the blue whale living today is larger than any animal that's ever lived in the more than 4 billion year history of the Earth. And for a long time, it was a controversy, it was a debate. How did whales evolve? We know that they have evolved from animals that lived on land, but how did that happen? Now, more recently, DNA has shown that it's some of the hoofed mammals, the artiodactyls, the group that includes deer and cattle and hippos, it's those mammals that were the ancestors of whales. And fossils also have proven this because although whales do not have hind legs today, there are fossil whales that were in the process of evolving that still had hind legs, and they have a special ankle bone that is exactly the same as the ankle that's only found in those hoofed mammals. And so that tells us that whales, today's whales, Moby Dick, evolved from little mammals that looked like Bambi. And that's an incredible evolutionary story.